Hello YouTube friends. I know it's been a while. I've been down low and been trying to work on these vacuum lines. Engine running great, but vacuum lines. I come by hood. I got something to show y'all, and if y'all working on one of these things, want y'all to remember what I'm about to show you. This little jewel is high, and it's nothing but a piece of plastic. This right here, this line right here, the little thing goes right down inside here, right here where my hand is. I'm wiggling it right there. That rubber piece failed on me, and it dry rotted. Been on there since the Jeep has been new. That little jewel, this whole line and everything, is over $50 for a piece of plastic. A piece of plastic and two rubber ends, $50. Wow, for just a piece of plastic. But the engine's running great. Yeah, I'll get it cranked up here, let y'all listen to it. Real quiet. But that little line right there cost me some money if I was going to buy it. But I went on the internet and found just that rubber piece right there at Advanced Auto Parts. When y'all do this, y'all gonna have to do your research on these damn things in order to find parts. Because I never found an air filter for it off the first engine. And I still excited about that Alabama game. I don't watch football. Well, I hope this help any of y'all out, YouTube friends and everything. This line right here, if you happen to break it, that's probably over a $50 bill if you buy it on eBay. I don't know, have no idea how much it is at a dealership or anything, but I imagine it's high as crap. Like I said, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.